What's going on, everybody? Elite Motorsports here. Just got in this 2013 Street Glide. Stick around to the end of the video for a startup. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Very clean bike, LED turn signals, stage 1 with an emblem on the air cleaner, Saddlemen seat, Python exhaust. There's LED turn signals again. Shifter linkage, grips. This bike only has 17,790 miles on it. Red windshield with a pouch, Daymaker style headlight. Very nice. Mini passenger floorboards. Let's go ahead and get a start up. Give us a call at 1-866-427-5398. Thank you.